Right now, the debate over mental health or manpower. School districts have an opportunity to get more grant funds to improve school safety, but state legislators passed a law declaring school resource officers on campus must take priority over counselors and social workers, something the new state superintendent supports. Team 12's Jade Cunningham spoke with one district employee who isn't entirely on board.
Arizona Superintendent of Public Schools Tom Horn says he wants to see more armed guards on campus.
Some of them say, well, we want gun-free schools. Well, that's like saying, come get me, I'm a victim.
He says there needs to be a change in how $80 million from the school safety grant program is distributed. In the past, schools usually apply for funds to help hire counselors and social workers. But Horn says the focus should be on armed security.
I think we have to have somebody there to protect the students and the staff. And that is my first priority, and I'm trying to do it quickly because I don't want to have the nightmare of having 20 kids shot in a school because there was no one there yet to protect them.
To be clear, he says he is not opposed to social workers on campus, but feels having armed officers at a school should take precedence.
If they have armed guards and they want a social worker, I would approve that. But if they don't have any kind of protection, no police officers, no armed guards, and they ask for a social worker, I'm not going to present it to the state board for approval.
I think the legislature's intent was to provide resources and money for both of those things.
Katie Gibson McLean is the chair of safety committee for Phoenix Union. She says it should be up to the individual districts to decide what best meets their needs.
I understand probably, I guess, speaking where he's coming from politically, not that I necessarily agree with it, but I don't know that it's a solution that it's not going to have the impact that I think he thinks it's going to have. I think what it'll just result in is less people applying for the safety grant and then less kids getting the resources they need, whatever those may be.
Phoenix Union ended their contract with school resource officers 3 years ago in 2020. On Saturday, a student safety committee meeting will be held to discuss law enforcement on campus. And the deadline for schools to apply to this grant is April 15th. In Phoenix, Jade Cunningham, 12 News.
That is